Okay. Okay, so flip to the back side, and Annie, can you just read that definition of a gerund phrase?
A gerund in any words that modify or complement it, the entire phrase acts as one name.
Okay, so a gerund phrase is a group of words. So it's any complements. Complements are going to be adjectives or adverbs or prepositional phrases. Modifiers are going to be adjectives, adverbs, or prepositional phrases, and complements, that's going to be your objects, your direct objects. So let's look at the example. Playing hockey is demanding. So what's the gerund in there, Hudson?
Demanding. Nope.
Playing. But it's not just playing. What else goes with playing?
Hockey.
Hockey. Okay, so underline that. That's a gerund phrase. Let's look at the second example. Isley, she loves swimming in the ocean. What's your gerund phrase?
Swimming in the ocean.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so here's the fun part, and I'm not quite sure how you learned this last year, but I need you to wear two different pairs of glasses when you're looking at gerund phrases. So first pair of glasses, big picture. A gerund is acting as what, Colton? It's a verb acting as a noun. Okay, and we change glasses. We've identified those. We put on another pair of glasses, little picture. That gerund is still a verb. Okay, so let me show you how that looks when it comes to diagramming. So here we've got playing. We know that this goes here. This is our subject. That's the noun job it's doing. Okay. What do we do with hockey? Well, what we do, big picture, we put it on stilts. Little picture, we go, this is a verb. So can anybody tell me, what's the question we ask after we find a verb? We ask usually, like, playing is who or what, demanding. So playing, who or what, Hannah?
Well, playing hockey.
Hockey. So little picture, this is a verb, and this is a direct object. And that whole thing goes on stilts. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Is it familiar?
Yeah.
Okay, so forgive me if I'm talking down to you. Now let's do the other one. So she loves, big picture, we know that swimming is acting as the direct object. So we're going to put that up here, swimming. Okay. Little picture, this is a verb. And so what's going to go with it? What's in the ocean? Hannah?
Prepositional phrase.
And what question does it answer?
Where?
Where? So because little picture, this is a verb, in the ocean is answering where, and it comes off of there. Okay? You got that? Is it easy? Really? Okay, so here's what we're going to do a little bit differently today. We are going to do, the first three in their entirety together. And then you're going to do the rest, and you're going to diagram all of them. Oh, I didn't put that on the board. Okay, I'll put that on the board. So,
It says diagram all.
oh, look, let's just do this. Exercise B, January 5th. Okay, so let's look at number one. Christian, what is the gerund phrase?
Finding the way.
Okay, so can you tell me what noun job is finding doing?
Is it an object of preposition because it's in?
You're so good. Yeah. Okay, so you're going to underline finding the way, but you want to know that is an object of a preposition. Now, let's talk about how we're going to diagram this, and you're going to have to diagram all of them. So, what's my subject, Phoebe? You. And Hudson, what is my verb? There's a helping verb. Remember, with the question, you have to put it as a statement.
Did have.
Did have. So you did have who or what, Elena?
Difficulty?
Difficulty. So difficulty is just a noun. It's an idea. Okay, so you did have difficulty. So in finding the way, where do you think that that would belong? What is it modifying, Caleb?
Difficulty.
It's telling us what kind of difficulty. Difficulty in finding the way. So here's what we do. In goes like a regular slant line for preposition, but we have to put our gerund on stilts. Okay? So, big picture, it's acting as the object of a preposition. Little picture, it's acting as a verb. So, in finding, and now we're going to ask who or what. So, Michael, in finding what?
The way.
So, we're going to put that up here. The. Okay? You guys see that? So, you got to give yourself lots of room when you're diagramming this. So, that's number one. I think number two is pretty easy. Let's actually skip to number 4 and do that one together. So what's the subject of number 4, Isley?
He
And the verb?
earns.
He earns. Okay. And then we're going to ask, he earns who or what? Colton?
Money.
Money. Okay. What is our gerund phrase in this, Callie?
Delivering papers.
Delivering papers. And what job is delivering doing? What's the noun job?
Object of preposition.
Object of a preposition. So here's the tricky part with gerund phrases. If they're acting as the object of a preposition, you got to figure out where do they go. Are they describing the verb or are they describing the direct object? So anybody have an idea on that? Warren.
It goes under the verb.
It goes under the verb because it's, what question is it answering?
How he earns money.
How he earns money. So by delivering, big picture. It's the object of the preposition, working as a noun. Little picture, it's a verb. Delivering what, Phoebe?
Papers.
Papers. Okay? Okay, so we've done those two. I'm going to give you time to work on this in class, and I suspect there's going to be one that you guys get to and go, what is that? That is so weird. So we'll probably do another one together, but I want you guys to go ahead and work on this in class.